Hi, this is Rev Carlos from DMCI Homes, and we are here in Oak Harbor Residences, one of our exclusive projects in DMCI. Hi, this is Rev Carlos from LG Division, Team Warrior Knights. I'm a property consultant in a real estate broker. So today we are going to view a 3-bedroom unit. So entering the unit. So as you can see, dito pala sa gitna kitang-kita mo na sobrang luwag niya. And as you can see sa provision niya, kasama split type na aircon. And yung ceiling floor to ceiling ratio niya is napakataas compare sa ating mga standards sa ibang projects. So on this side, you can see there is already a balcony. Okay. And on this side naman, as you can see, we have a sliding door papunta sa kitchen. And then the kitchen, on this side, meron tayong provision for range hood. And meron din siya for stove sa ating dala. Then, ayun, yung ating mga countertop is also granite na yan. Ating mga cabinets. Well-built na siya for the unit. And, kung mapapansin niyo, meron pa tayo dito another room which is our pantry. This can be also your stock room. Pwede mong gawin kung pwede siyang gawin stock room, pantry, iba-iba. Depende po sa preferences mo. And on this side, we have the maid's room. This maid's room, meron na din siya kasama ang toilet. Bukod sa maid's room ito, pwede din natin itong gawin washing area or washroom. Kasi meron na siya provided na faucet and outlet. Meron na din siya inlet siya outlet ng tubig. So coming back here, dito sa ating living area. Depends on your preferences, you can position your living area here, and you can set up your TV here. Pwede naman na dito ilagay yung dining area. Depends on you because, as you can see nga, ayun, yung ating room is very spacious or sobrang luwag. Pasok naman tayo dito sa one of our bedrooms. Ayan, as you can see, napakalaki din ng window sa ating bedrooms. Provided na din yung ating split type na aircon. Tapos yung ating flooring is vinyl planks, which is kasama sa turnover natin yun. On this side, this is a shared toilet and bath. Napakalaki din niya. Entering the toilet and bath, I have provided na yung ating glass partition for the shower. Kasama na yung ating shower, yung ating filters for the faucet, pati na rin dito sa ating sink. May bukod na din siyang sink para sa ating toilet and bath. Ito yung isa sa ating bedrooms. Ayan. Meron na din siya, provided na aircon, then meron din maliit na pinto dito. Yan, access siya para sa ating AC. Pwede din sa mga client po natin na nag-smoke. And coming back here, Dito tayo sa master's bedroom. Ayan, napakalaki din ang ating master's bedroom. Provided na din yung ating very large, very huge na cabinet, which is built in na for our 3-bedroom unit. Ayan, ganyan yung itsura niya sa loob. Then, if you look in this side, you can see the see-through na toilet and bath. You can see the shower there, the faucet, and on this side naman, ito yung access sa ating toilet and bath. Meron din siya kasama sa sink. And meron din siyang outlet para sa mga gusto mag-iwan ng phone. Pwede ipatong lang dyan sa counter top habang tayo na siya shower. So, ayan. So, itong location natin is very optimal. Ano po? This is prime location since napakalapit niya sa Ocala and other nearby areas, which is very accessible. So, that's all for today, and thank you. Stay safe.